Though there are a number of benefits to doing a home loan refinance, let's look at the various factors you must consider before you actually go and do a refinance of your home loan. You need to consider 4 factors when you think of doing a home loan refinance. The first one is consider the various costs involved in a home loan refinance. Look at your credit score. Look at the customer service you expect from the new lender. And finally, what is your interest cost that you will have to bear when you move to the new home loan lender. Let's look at these factors one after another. The first factor you must consider is calculate the cost associated with doing a home loan refinance. If you decide to take a home loan from a new lender, there are a number of costs you will have to incur before you can move to the new lender. These costs can include your processing charges, your home loan application processing charges, your legal charges, your stamp duty charges that you will have to pay to the new lender before he can process the home loan application and sanction the loan to you as a borrower. At the same time, you need to look at your existing agreement with your old lender to check if there are any prepayment charges that you need to pay if you were to go ahead and consider doing a home loan refinance. Generally, your processing fees can vary from 0.5% to 1% of the home loan amount, while your prepayment charges can vary from 1% to 5% of your existing home loan balance. Once you've taken into account the various costs associated with doing a home loan refinance, you must go and look at your credit score. Your credit score is a judge of your worthiness as a borrower and will give you an idea of whether you can expect a reduced interest rate because of an improvement in your credit score. So if you have a good credit score or your credit score has improved over a period of time, you can expect to get a much lower rate when you move from your old lender to your new lender. In case your credit score has worsened over a period of time, then the chances of you getting a home loan refinance actually reduce drastically. The third factor you must look at is customer service. This is an extremely important factor because you do not want to be switching to a new lender only because you are trying to save some small amount in cost in terms of the interest that you pay, but because of the bad customer service, you may have to then visit the bank on every second or third week or every third or fourth month for either making the payments or for any service requirements that you have or whether some facilities that you may want to avail of, and the actual time cost that you will incur for visiting the bank again and again will offset the benefit you've got in the form of the finance cost saving. So that is why it is extremely important that you do a good check in terms of the customer service of the new lender. You can do that by having a look at their online reviews, by talking to existing customers, or even by word of mouth from your colleagues and friends in terms of what kind of customer service the new lender offers to you. If that is a positive, that is when you think of doing a home loan refinance. The fourth factor you must keep in mind before you decide to close on a home loan refinance is you must look into the overall benefit that you get as a borrower in terms of are you net on net going to save any amount by doing a home loan finance, and if yes, what is the amount of savings that you can expect when you do a home loan finance. To help you understand this, let's go back to our example of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma who had taken a loan of 64.28 lakhs for a tenure of 25 years at an interest of 6.9%. They have been servicing this loan on a regular basis, and today their home loan, after servicing the loan for 10 years, stands at an amount of 50.4 lakhs. They have a remaining tenure of 15 years and the current interest rate continues to be 6.9% because when they took the loan it was a fixed rate interest of 6.9%. Now if they were to go and approach a new lender and ask them to refinance the loan for them, and these are the details which the new lender has offered to them, that he is willing to give them a loan for the same tenure of 15 years but at a new interest rate of only 6%. If that is the new interest rate, they will land up saving an amount of 4.48 lakhs in the interest they have to pay over the next 15 years. Now against the savings of 4.48 lakhs, they will have to incur a cost which is an amount equal to 50,000 towards the stamp duty of the new loan and also a processing fee of 10,000. Taking into account the savings of 4.8 lakhs and the expenses of 60,000, the overall benefit that Mr. and Mrs. Sharma will have if they go ahead and refinance their loan is an amount of 3.88 lakhs. Given that they are financially better off, it would make sense that they go ahead and actually refinance the loan with the new lender because they are actually resulting in a net earned savings when they do the refinance. Summing up the episode, we talked about what exactly is a home loan refinance or what is a loan swap. We talked about the 4 factors you must keep in mind before you do a refinance. You need to look at the charges that you need to pay when you do a refinance. You need to look at your credit score to see if that will support you getting a lower interest rate. You need to look at the customer service of the new lender and also look at the overall financial impact of doing a refinance, whether you're financially better off compared to continuing with your old lender. We debunked the various myths associated with your home loan refinance and finally concluded with the various reasons why you would want to do a home loan refinance. The Home Capital community assists and guides you successfully through your journey of home ownership. Join India's first community of home buyers and homeowners and take your next step towards home ownership.